guys, time for the unboxing of the brilliant microwave oven. We have 20 litres of touch grill microwave. We have microwave power, auto output 750 to 800 watts, and grill, which I assume will be, you can change the setting, for 950 to 1000 watt. What do you say to that then, people? Bit more information here for you. We have 10 microwave power levels, 99-minute timer, child safety lock, ooh, cool, 230 to 240 V, 50 Hertz, gross weight is 12 kilograms, net weight is 11, which means outside the packaging, and packaging dimensions is 488 by 380 by 291 millimeters. And I'll probably work that out for you in inches and show you somewhere around here. So there you go, just in case you want the same one, I will leave a link in the description for where I got it from. Let's go. Don't you just love my unboxings? And we are in. That wasn't too bad. Let's get inside this baby. It's too much packaging. They always give you way too much packaging. And I know that's for the safety of the item and all that, but here we go, here we go, here we go. The grill just keeps getting in the way. Stay. Whoops. Should have just moved in the beginning, shouldn't I? Lazy. Lazy daisy. Oh wow, it's a lot nicer and neater than my old one. Absolutely cream crackered my old one. I'm just going to show you inside now. Sorry about that. Now I've just took all the packaging out, I've put my instructions manual in my drawer, and this is the end result. So here is the grill, which is so neat. I've never had a microwave with a grill before, so this will be very interesting, guys. And there's your plate, you can see that. I'll just run through the little icons that we have here. So we have cook time, wait time, defrost, clock, kitchen timer, power, dinner plate, grill combi. And then you've got little things that you may want to do, like popcorn, potato, frozen pizza. I don't really buy frozen pizza, but yeah. Frozen vegetables, beverage, ooh, meat. There we go. And there you can just type in what you want and away we go. Stop, start, and whatever memory does. So this is pretty gorgeous. Look at the detail. Look at the detail on that door. This is most definitely staying clean, guys. Now this one is a lot wider than my other one, width-ways, but not as wide in length-ways, but it doesn't matter either way, it does the job. And it's more powerful, this one. And then you've just got that little bit of information on the back. Let me have a look at that for a second. So, we are plugged in, and I'll just show you a little tutorial. So this is the setup I'm going to go for. I always put my oven gloves on top of the microwave. I don't know if you do stuff like that, it's just like a thing. I do. There is the grill, and here we go. Oops, that didn't go very well. It's certainly, get me words out right, certainly a lot lighter. So I'm gonna have to be careful when opening that. I'm so used to just going bing, and it just opens like without it moving, so you can tell it's certainly a lot lighter device than I'm used to. But this is so sleek. cinematics there for you. But let's have a look. So let's see what happens when we press potato. Okay, start. Oh wait, would help if I bloody plugged it in, eh? Okay, we have liftoff. So what happens? So let's see what happens when we press potato. One potato, go. Oh, it even gives it a timer for you. Not bad. I like that. Okay, how long would you give frozen pizza? Microwave? Yep, one frozen pizza. Oh, 4 minutes 20. It knows its stuff, this microwave. Okay. We're having a fun night in and we're doing some popcorn. Wow, come on, tell me. You like a mini little, a large, should I say, Surrey here. How long would you say popcorn needs? 50, yeah, we want 50. Oh, 1 minute 20, it knows its numbers, this one. It knows its numbers. Okay, so what about, I want to do my veg, like I love my veg. Frozen vegetables, okay? 150, and go. 3 minutes 40. Look, this really knows its stuff, doesn't it? Beverage. Now, I've been wondering what it means by beverage. Let's go. 1 beverage to go, please. 1 minute 5. Not bad. It knows its stuff, this. Okay. Now, we got some meat going on. It's, for example, Christmas Day. Oh, chick. Well, wonder what that means. Let's see what I'd say for chicken. Let's try it. 4 minutes. Go! Oh! Really? So we can, I see. So this is gonna be like the grill section. 19 minutes on chicken. That's good, that. Instead of waiting like 40 minutes in the oven, let's just microwave it for 20. Okay, so we've done chicken. Beef, okay, what about beef? 300. I'm still not quite sure what this 300, 150 malarkey means, but let's go. 8 minutes. Oh, not bad. So meat again. What else have we got? We've had our chicken. We've had our beef. Pork. Well, I can only imagine that's pork. So away we go. 150. Yeah, still don't know what that means. 8 minutes again. This microwave knows its stuff. Meat. Chicken, beef, pork. Alright, so it doesn't like lamb. Never mind. But you get the gist, guys. It's pretty neat, isn't it? I must say, it's pretty neat. It's fandabidozy. Bit of a Lee Evans reference there, but you know what? I'm amazingly happy. You know what? It's too shiny. It's too shiny. I can see my reflection. But anyway, it's perfect, that's all I can say. Just wanted to show you quickly how gorgeous that setup looks as well. Right next to the amazing red Russell Hobbs Energy Plus Efficient Fridge Freezer. Oh, so thank you very much for clicking on this video. I will leave a link in the description to where I got this amazing little piece of technology from. Go ahead, smash a like, let me know down in the comments what it is, your favourite feature on this. Are you going to get it? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, subscribe if you are new. And goodbye. Such an amazing piece of technology here, guys. There you go, the link is down below. And of course, like, comment and subscribe.